Welcome back to HK Vibe. Today's topic is density and pressure. Class 8 Physics. Density and pressure. Main points. Density mass by volume rho equal to m by v. Pressure equal to force per unit area. Then pressure difference equal to height into density into gravity. Pressure difference equal to h rho g. Pressure difference equal to height into density into gravity. P equal to h rho g. Archimedes principles. Archimedes principle states that when a body is immersed partially or fully in a fluid, it experiences an upward force that is equal to weight of the fluid displaced by it. This principle states that when an object is immersed partially or fully in a fluid, it experiences an upward force that is equal to weight of the fluid displaced by it. For example, if you put a stone in water, that stone immersed partially or completely that stone experiences an upward force that is equal to weight of the fluid displaced by it. Buoyancy and upthrust. What is buoyancy and upthrust? When a body is immersed partially or completely inside a fluid, it experiences an upward force is called a buoyant force. When an object is immersed partially or completely inside a fluid, it experiences an upward force called buoyant force or upthrust. Buoyant force upthrust in an object given in the fluid. Buoyancy. The property of fluid to apply buoyant force is called buoyancy. The property of the fluid to apply buoyant force is called buoyancy. The buoyant force acting on object depend upon two factors: volume of the body immersed or volume of the fluid displaced, second upon density of the fluid. Buoyant force acting on an object is depend upon two factors. First one, volume of the body immersed. Second one, density of the fluid. You can see here spring balance, that stone is immersed in water. Then spring balance reading is changing. Then water is overflowed through another beaker, collected in another beaker. So this W we can say W2. This W2 less than W1 due to upthrust provided by water. So apparent loss of weight due to upthrust will be W1 minus W2. Measure the weight of water collected in the beaker, which is the fact weight of water displaced by the stone. On comparing, we will find that loss in weight is W1 minus W2 is equal to weight of water displaced by the stone. Hence, Archimedes principle is verified. Volume of a cuboid equal to width into length into height. Volume of a cylinder equal to pi r square h. Consider smaller solid. Measuring the volume of an irregular solid. For example, smaller solid. Take one cylinder, add water, check the level of the water, then add irregular solid, then again you check the level of the water, then final level of water minus initial level of water. From that we will get volume of the irregular smaller solid. For larger solid, consider experiment setup same as in diagram. Then after putting the larger solid in liquid, we can check how much amount of water is transferred from larger beaker to smaller beaker. From that we can understand volume of the larger solid. Application of Archimedes principle used in design ship and submarines, used in making lactometers which are used to determine the purity of sample of milk, used in making hydrometers which are used for determining density of liquids. First application used in designing ships and submarines, used in making lactometers, used in making hydrometers. 1 cubic meter, 1 m cube equal to 1 meter length, 1 meter width, 1 meter height. So 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So 100 centimeter, 100 centimeter, 100 centimeter. So 10 power 6 centimeter cube. So 1 m cube equal to 10 power 6 centimeter cube. Density. It is the ratio of mass per unit volume of an object. Density equal to mass by volume. Density symbol is rho, mass symbol is m, volume symbol is v. M is the mass measured in kilogram, volume is the measured in cubic meter, that is meter cube. Density is measured is kilogram per meter cube. So simply unit is kilogram per meter cube. Also mass we can find density into volume. Volume we can find density divided by mass. Mass density equal to mass by volume. This is the equation linking mass, density, volume. Calculate density of metal block of volume 0.20 meter cube and mass 600 kilogram. So equation linking mass, density, volume is density equal to mass by volume. Mass given 600 kilogram, volume given 0.20 m cube. So mass by volume, so 600 by 0.20. So the answer is 3000 kilogram per meter cube. Density of the metal 3000 kilogram meter cube. What is the equation linking density, mass, volume? Calculate mass of the block wood of the 0.050 m cube and density 600 kilogram per meter. Density equal to mass by volume, then mass equal to density into volume. Given that density equal to 600 kilogram per meter cube, volume equal to 0.50 meter cube. 0.050 meter cube volume. Then 600 kilogram meter cube into 0.050 meter cube is equal to 30 kilogram. So mass of the wood is 30 kilogram. Density and examples. What is the equation linking mass, density, volume? Density equal to mass by volume. Calculate volume of a liquid mass 45 kilogram and density 900 kilogram per meter cube. So rho equal to mass by volume, volume equal to mass by density. Given that mass equal to 45 kilogram, density equal to 900 kilogram per meter cube. 45 kilogram divided by 900 kilogram, 45 by 900, 0.05 meter cube. So volume of the liquid is 0.05 meter cube. What is the equation force linking force pressure area? Calculate the pressure exerted by a force of 200 Newton when applied over an area 4 meter square. So what is the equation? P equal to force per unit area, F equal to F by A. Given that F equal to 200 Newton area 4 meter square. So F equal to F by A, 200 by 4, 50. Unit of pressure Pascal, so 50 Pascal. Equation linking force pressure area. Calculate force exerted by 150 kilopascal on an object surface area 3 meter square. Equation density equal to force, pressure equal to force per unit area. So force equal to pressure in the area. Pressure is given 150 kilopascal, area given 3 meters square. So 150 kilopascal into 3 meters square, 450 kilonewton. So answer is 450 kilonewton. What is the equation linking force, pressure, area? Pressure equal to force per area equal to force by pressure. Given that pressure equal to 300 kilopascal, area 600 newton, force is 600 newton. So 600 newton divided by 300 kilopascal, 600 newton divided by 300 kilopascal, 0.02 meter square. Pressure exerted by a person on a floor. Weight of the person in Newton. This gives the downward force exerted on the floor. Drawn graph, outline of a person, feet or shoe. Use the paper outline, calculate area contact. A is the floor with meter square. 1 meter square equal to 10,000 centimeter square. Calculate pressure equal to force by area. Weight of a person 500 Newton. Outline of area both feet in centimeter square 60. Outline of area both feet in meter square 0.06. Then pressure equal to force per unit area, which will come 8,300 pascal. Force 40 Newton, area 8. So pressure for 0 by 8, 5. 500 Newton force 20 meter square 25 pascal. 400 Newton 5 meter square 8 pascal. 80 pascal. 20 Newton 2 centimeter square 100 kilo pascal. 6 Newton 2 millimeter square 3 megapascal. Pressure and examples. Why off-road vehicles have large tires or track? In both cases, area of with ground maximized. This causes pressure to minimize. Pressure equal to vehicle weight by area. So low pressure means vehicle does not sink into the ground. So area become, we know that pressure equal to force by area. So area of contact is more, pressure will be less. So for lower pressure, so vehicle does not sink into the ground or soil. How a gas exerts pressure. A gas consists of molecules in constant random motion. When a molecule collides with a surface, it reverses direction due to the force exerted by the surface. The molecules in turn exert a force back on the surface. The pressure exerted by the gas is equal to total force exerted by the molecule on a particular area of surface divided by the area. So pressure equal to force per area. Other pressure units. Pressure in liquids and gases. The pressure in a liquid or gas at a particular point acts is equal to the all direction. At same depth in liquid, pressure is same in all direction. Pressure in liquids and gas. Pressure in a liquid or gas at a particular point act equally in all direction. Pressure in liquids and gas. Pressure in a liquid and gas with increases with depth. Pressure of liquid increases with depth. Pressure, height, depth. Pressure, height, depth equation. Pressure difference equal to height into density into gravity. P equal to H rho G. H height, rho density, G gravity. Height or depth is called H in meter. Density kilogram per meter cube. Gravitational field G Newton per second. Newton per kilogram. Pressure difference is equal to in Pascal. What is the equation linking pressure difference, height, density, gravity? Calculate pressure increase in the bottom of a swimming pool of depth 2 meter. Density of water is 1000 kilogram meter cube. Gravity 10 Newton. pressure difference and height gravity density relation is pressure difference equal to H rho G. So 2 meter into 1000 density G ton. So 2 into 1000 into ton, 20 kilopascal. Calculate the thickness of the at sea level atmosphere density 1.3 kilogram meter cube. Calculate the thickness or height of the atmosphere required to produce average sea level 100 kilopascal. What is the equation linking pressure difference, height and gravity? So equation is P equal to H rho G. H equal to P by rho G. P given 100 kilopascal, rho given 1.3 kilogram per meter cube, G given 10 Newton per kg. So 1,000 divided by 1.3 into 10, 1.3 is 13. So 1 lakh divided by 13, 7692 meter, around 7.7 kilometer. Why is the actual height much greater? The atmospheric density decreases with height. So the atmosphere extends at least height of 100 kilometer. A Greek scientist called Archimedes was asked to check the purity of gold in a crown. He did this by comparing the density of crown with the density of pure gold. Describe how he could have measured the density of an irregular shaped object such as crown. Submerged crown in water and measured the volume of water displaced. By this we can understand the density of irregular shaped crown. Pure gold has a density of 19 thousand kilogram meter cube. Suppose the crown had a volume of 0.001 meter cube. What mass should be crown if the made it is pure gold? So density equal to mass by volume. So mass equal to density into volume. So density 19 kilo 1,000 into 0.0001 meter cube. So 1.9 kilogram. Question second. People working on a roof building often lay a ladder or wood of roof. They walk on the ladder rather than the roof itself. Explain why using a ladder with the help of to prevent damage to the roof. The person weight will be spread out the over area of the ladder. So pressure on the roof will be less. A workman's weight is 850 Newton and each of his boot area is 210 centimeter square. Calculate maximum pressure under this feet he is walking. Give your reason in Pascal. Area of 1 foot is 0.021 meter square. Pressure equal to force by area. Then area for 850 divided by 0.21, 40476 Newton meter square or 40476 Pascal. The workman lays on a plank on the foot. The plank has an area 0.3 meter square, weight of 70 Newton. What is the maximum pressure under the plank when he is working on the foot? Pressure equal to 920 divided by 0.3. 920 because 850 plus 70 Newton, 920 Newton, 920 Newton divided by 0.3, so 3067 Newton meter square. Pressure equal to force by area. Pressure force by area. Force is 850 plus 70 Newton, so 920 Newton. So area is 0.3, so 3067 Newton per meter square. Next question. A manometer can be used to find the pressure of a gas. The difference in the level of liquid each side of the tube indicates difference in the pressure of water surface at A, pressure on the gas, water surface at B. Assume atmospheric pressure is 100 kilopascal. What is the difference in pressure between PA and A and B? Use G equal to 10 Newton per kg. rho equal to 0.1 meter, then rho equal to area into density, sorry, rho equal to height into rho into g. Height is 0.1 meter, rho is 1000 kilogram, g is 10 Newton. So answer will come 1000 Newton meter square or 1000 Pascal. What is the pressure on the gas tube at C? The gas pressure at B is upward to 10 centimeter of the water plus pressure of the atmosphere on the surface of the liquid at A. Describe what will happen when gas is turned off and the pipe is removed from C. Atmospheric pressure restored in right hand tube. Water level will in found both sides of manometer will be equalized.